How long does it take for Gemini to release funds? Have you ever been excited to receive a payment from Gemini, only to find out that it's taking longer than expected? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll discuss how long it takes for Gemini to release funds and what you can do to speed up the process. Gemini is a cryptocurrency exchange that allows you to buy, sell, and trade various digital assets. One of the most common questions that users have is how long it takes for Gemini to release funds. This is an important question, as you may need access to your funds for a variety of reasons, such as paying bills or investing in other assets. How long does it take for Gemini to release funds? The amount of time it takes for Gemini to release funds depends on a number of factors, including the type of transaction, the verification status of your account, and the current volume of transactions. Deposits. Deposits typically take 1 to 2 business days to process. However, if you are depositing a large amount of money, it may take longer. Withdrawals. Withdrawals typically take 1 to 5 business days to process. However, if you are withdrawing to a new bank account, it may take longer. Trades. Trades are typically settled within 24 hours. However, if the trade involves a volatile asset, it may take longer. What you can do to speed up the process. There are a few things you can do to speed up the process of releasing funds from Gemini. Verify your account. If your account is not verified, it will take longer for your transactions to process. Use a bank account that is in your name. If you are withdrawing funds to a bank account that is not in your name, it will take longer to process. Avoid withdrawing large amounts of money at once. Withdrawing large amounts of money at once can delay the processing time. Contact Gemini support. If you are having trouble releasing funds from Gemini, you can contact their support team for assistance. Keep track of your transactions. It is important to keep track of your transactions so that you can see when your funds will be released. Be patient. It is important to be patient and understand that it takes time for Gemini to process transactions. Check the status of your transactions. You can check the status of your transactions in your Gemini account. Use Gemini's customer support if you have any questions. In conclusion, the amount of time it takes for Gemini to release funds depends on a number of factors. However, there are a few things you can do to speed up the process. By following the tips in this article, you can get your funds from Gemini more quickly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.